If you are watching this video, that means you are looking for a way to like share your folder through Gmail. You understand? And you have been saying it that it's actually not possible for you to share a folder through Gmail, or you want to send it to someone through Gmail. You understand? So I'm going to be showing you how you can actually possibly do that right now without any inconveniences and anything within a short period of time. So let's move into it. So okay, we have a folder right here. I have a lot of folders right here. You see this one. I have a lot of folders right here. So right now I want to like share this folder. I want to like share this particular folder through Gmail. I want to share it to someone through Gmail. Then I'm going to like do it like this way. So I'm going to do it this way then. Right here, you can share a folder through Gmail. So what about converting it into a compressing it into a WinRAR project, you understand? Like right here, I'm going to show you. Then we're actually going to like compress it, then send, you understand? This here. So I'm going to like compress it, then it's actually going to show stuff we actually compress soon, you understand? So it's actually being compressed right here. You see dizzy right here, you can see dizzy. So right now we want to send that through Gmail. That's actually very possible than sending a folder through Gmail. So we're actually going to go to our Gmail right now, and I'm going to send it to someone. Just going to send it to a random link and show you how it is actually very possible. Send it through that. Please, if you haven't subscribed, please click on the subscribe button. If you love and you see that this is actually very helpful, click on the notification bell also to get notified when I drop new videos. Understand? So that's it. So click on the like button also if you like this video. So we're actually going to be composing a new message, like clicking on it. So it's actually still loading. We got the message and the subject, you understand? So right, we want to send it to maybe, let's see. Okay, let me type one of my Gmails. You understand? Return tweet. So I'm going to send it to this. So the subject is, let's say, yeah, for this video, for this video. You understand? So that's it. Then we want to like, okay, dismiss. We want to like attach the file. So you want to attach the file, you understand that you can't attach a folder. So we want to like find the file, you understand? So we're going to go to your desktop, then the no folder is actually showing at this aspect. The folder is actually showing this, but you can't send it. You understand? It's actually going to open. You can't send it at all. So you see, you can't send it. I click on it, you can't send it. It's the one we actually turn into this that we can actually send, and it's actually clickable. You see it's actually click them and attach it to this, so you can see it's actually 3.6 MB. So we're actually going to send that, understand? So that's it, and it's actually sent, so that's how you do your stuff. It's actually very very simple and very very easy and not time consuming. No time consuming. That's it. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the notification bell. Thank you very much.